Hi guys, Be Happy with Vihan back, and it's been a while since I've made an unboxing video, so I have a surprise for you. Or should it be myself? Anyways, let's get right into it. Here we go! Not telling you what's in here until we open it. So, hey, it worked! So, I think it's finally time to tell you what's in here. But you probably already know because of the title. Oh! The Google Nest Hub is in my house now. So guys, I'm at my desk, also known as the Neon Corner, and we're gonna set this bad boy up. So I'm gonna take off the peel. So satisfying. And then, with a click of a foot, so I'm gonna set up my Google Nest Hub 2nd generation. Well, that's in a mouthful. And I'm gonna see you on the other side of this smooth animation. So I'm back. I just finished the setup and it was smooth as a breeze, and we are gonna click finish setup to see what happens. Oop. So it's the 4 Google colors, I see. And
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day. So you can get started, let me show you around.
let's see around this boy.
First, I'll show you where to find settings. Swipe up from the bottom. Here you'll see your most recent and commonly used apps. And to see all of your apps, you tap here on See All. This is where you can control some settings.
That's
like
nice.
Screen brightness, alarms, and a few other things.
So we're gonna try out a few things with this Google. Hey Google, turn on the neon lights.
Okay, turning on the neon lights.
Oh, it gives this little overview. So, hey Google, tell me a joke.
Why did the baker become a thief? Because he needed the dough.
And now if you just want to close it, swipe. So, let's end it. But one more quick thing. I'd really appreciate it if you read this book I made. I made it for all you guys, and if you do read it, I hope you enjoy. Link in the description. So, see you next video.